Hello to everyone. Today I'm going to present my digital project, First Century Romance Collection. This collection includes 13 books between 7 and 12 pages of the most representative Roman historians of the first century. All the books are in Spanish. So in the browser you can see the objects, and you can sort by the title, the creator, etc. For example, we click here in title. It's in alphabetic order, of course. We click here in Analysis. You can figure out who is the author, the description of the book, who is the translator, and the book is in PDF format. If we go to the subjects, it's important to know that those are made by me personally because I couldn't find out official subjects related to these topics. Those subjects are in Spanish because the content is in Spanish. But it's not a big deal because most of the names are very similar to English. So for example, Plutarch is Plutarco. And location is the same. Is the name of the places that are mentioned mostly in the books. For example, Rome, Roma, Egypt, Egypto, and etc. The timeline, you will see the year or the range of years of the creation of the books, means like the publication of the books. In the data, you can download my metadata by Excel or CSV. In the about section, you will see the aim of this project. I'm not, for example, here it says I'm not planning to reinvent the wheel. So just to share this collection like a reference for people who are very interested in Roman classics or who are studying like Spanish linguistics, etc. Right? And you also see who's this project idea, etc. In the people, it's like a brief biography of me. The technical documentation, it explains how the books were digitized, and also it explains every single doubling core element. And concerning the rights, you can figure out if I had a permission from the copyright owners. Also, you can click on one of them to read more information about the copyrights. And the acknowledgement, I thanks to Dr. Walsh and Alex for the feedback. They helped me a lot for the creation of this website. Concerning the advertising, I explained briefly the information of every single publisher. It's important to know that those are from Spain, all of them. In the classic authors, it's just like a brief biography of every single one. So you will figure out who was the author, for example, like Tito Livio. And here you will see the references. In the reading public, you will see, what for the series like Clásicos de Roma y Grecia and Latinos were made. The goal was to reach new audiences, not only for scholars, but also for random people who are very interested in these topics. In bibliography section, you will see the citation of the books, which are included in my project. In the related resources, you will see other digital libraries or databases. Unfortunately, there are very few digital projects and databases which contain books in Spanish regarding classics, because there are other databases which contain books about literature or fields. But concerning the classics, there are very few. The only one that I found is Filología Clásica. However, you can find books from other, or per se, classic texts from other databases like Perseus Digital Library and Forum Romanum, etc. So I think this collection builder is a good opportunity to create new websites and digital collections which share my passion for history. It's important to know that this project was very time consuming because it was hard to fix issues by myself, but I understand it's a good challenge, especially for the future. I would like to learn more tools for creation of new collections. So thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you so much. Bye.